Hello everyone out there. Welcome to my channel, and today's video will be showing beginners how to use tampons. I'll just show you the difference between the two applicator styles, and then I'll show you how to insert them and remove them. I have a 13-year-old daughter, and she actually had questions about how to properly insert a tampon, and she said that it would be a good idea to actually put out a video to help other young ladies learn how to correctly insert a tampon. So that's what we're doing today. This is a beginner's course. Again, I do suggest that you start off with regular tampons only, and I'll get to showing you the difference between the two and then how to insert and remove. This is actually a cardboard applicator. This is the more difficult, more painful one to use. It has ridges here, as you can see, that actually help you grip while you're actually inserting the applicator. And as you can see, it has the tail that hangs out, and the actual tampon itself is here on the tip. This is actually a plastic applicator, and you can see the difference. It still has the grips here for when you're inserting, and it has the tail here that's going to hang out, and it's actually the same size, but it's actually, you can see it's much smoother in its appearance. So what you want to make sure is that you don't have this here gapping at the beginning of it, because it actually hurt more. And you want to make sure you have baby wipes handy, because if once you wipe yourself correctly with the baby wipes, it'll leave in some moisture that'll help it glide in a little bit better. So what you want to do is you want to actually take the tampon out the package, as I did. You don't need the package, so you can remove that and trash it. And what you want to do is you want to insert it halfway in to here. If it's uncomfortable, then you want to take it out. But if you insert it halfway to here and everything's fine, then you want to go ahead and proceed. You take the actual plunger part. This is what they call the plunger. As you can see, I'm moving it in and out. You want to actually push the plunger all the way in until you can't push it in anymore, and then you want to pull out the applicator. This little tail piece here, it actually hang out, and it'll help aid removal of the tampon once you want to take it out and change it into another one. So if you want, once you want to take it out, you actually pull it, and it'll actually come out, and you can discard it into the trash can. And again, as I said, this is just a beginner's video. My daughter requested it. I figured I would throw one together just to have one online for her in case she wants to go online and show somebody else how to use it, and have a quick and easy way on insertion of tampons for beginners. Again, I said earlier in the video that I would suggest that you use regular tampons, and you can gradually use the different super or other types once you get comfortable. With regular is the smallest one that they have available at this time, and it's the easiest one for you to use as long as you use the plastic applicator. I hope you enjoy viewing the video, and to any beginners that want to leave comments on how easy or how difficult this video was for them to use, please feel free to leave comments. Thanks. Bye.